Angelina and Sterling here from Modernize My Site, specializing in damn sexy WordPress websites.
Woo.
In this video, we're going to be talking about how to choose the right website maintenance plan.
If you would like to stay in the know about the latest web design strategies, consider subscribing.
Your site maintenance is crucial if you want to guarantee that it remains running smoothly. We were honored to receive a testimonial speaking to just that. It said, "Modernize My Site just took over my website hosting, and I feel so good about this decision because they provide peace of mind knowing my site is secure and in the hands of trustworthy individuals. I highly recommend their services to anyone." Thanks for that.
First up, nail down the right website hosting provider. Choosing the right website provider is key. Make sure you take time to get to know them and vice versa to create a strong relationship. A good sign in choosing a website hosting company is being able to speak to them on the phone when you call them. Wow, they actually answer the phone. Choosing a website hosting provider that truly wants to assist you is vital.
Are you happy with the service that you're getting from your hosting provider? Let us know in the comments.
Another important factor to consider when choosing a website maintenance plan is the speed of changes. It is essential that you have a provider that can help you change the website quickly and efficiently. This can include updates on content, visual design, and functionality. Having a provider that can make updates rapidly can help guarantee that your website stays current and modern.
Just like Modernize My Site. Finally, determine your plan and pricing. Website hosting providers often have a number of different hosting plans that meet different goals and features. So it is critical to do your research and choose the option that's best suited to your needs and budget. Choosing managed WordPress hosting is a good choice. Managed WordPress hosting is a type of hosting service that is specifically designed for hosting WordPress websites. It typically includes functions such as automatic updates, backups, and enhanced security to help protect your site.
I hope that gives you an idea on how to choose the right website maintenance plan. What was your takeaway from the video? Type it in the comments below.
Thanks for watching. We hope this video has been helpful in guiding you through the process of choosing the right website maintenance plan. If so, smash that like button, share it with your friends, and be sure to subscribe. If you enjoyed this video, you might like these videos here and here.